Hello and welcome to Straight Coding. Today we are going to explore some of OpenSSL commands. We are going to explore how to generate RSA private key, how to generate certificate sign-in request, and also how to create self-signed certificate. Now I've got here a Visual Studio Code and I've got a folder here. So let me open up the terminal and let's begin. So if you don't have OpenSSL installed, I have a video for you. You can watch that and learn how to install OpenSSL. So this video assumes that you know how to install or you have OpenSSL already installed. Now let's see how to generate RSA private key and save it to a file. In order to do that, you have to use this command OpenSSL OpenSSL genrsa, so that means generate RSA private key, and you output that results to a file, so key.pem, and as you can see here it generated it and saved it to this file called key.pem, and as you can see it's a private key, so the beginning of the private key and the end of the private key. Now let's use this key to generate a certificate sign-in request. Okay, so in order to do that, you type OpenSSL, you do request, and then new. So basically you're generating a new certificate sign-in request, so new, and then you specify where the key is, the key location. In this case, in this is in the same folder, so key.pem, referring to this one here because we are already in the same folder. If you were somewhere else, you would have to locate to it, but for now we are in the same folder. So you specify the key location, and then you are going to output the request or the sign-in request, certificate sign-in request.pem. So this is where we are going to save that request. You press enter, and then obviously here it will ask you for a couple of information because that's what you're going to eventually use it to sign the certificate. So it asks you a couple of information. Fill it out. Yeah, fill it out. Let me just do some random information there, add some random information, and then we can continue. Just and then here normally the most important one here is a common name. So I give it the server full qualified domain name or your name. So in this case, let me give it test or demo. Okay, anything is fine. And then if you want to specify a password, you can do so as well, but we don't, so we just want to create that certificate sign-in request. We've done that, and now yes, let's use that to now create a self-signed certificate. Okay, in order to do that, you type OpenSSL, and now you specify the type of certificate you want. In this case, we want x509 certificate, and you say request, and then you specify the number of days, well basically the expiration of the certificate. So normally you can set it into years, 365, maybe a year, or 10 years, so 365 50, but in this case I just want it to be maybe a day. And then you specify where the information that you previously provided, so basically the sign-in request, so you specify that, and it's all in this file. So basically this one, let's quickly have a look at what's in here first. Okay, so this is a PEM and it says certificate request. So this information is what we are trying to pass here. So csr.pem, and then you specify your key, your signing key, which is this one here. Okay, so you do sign key, and then again you provide your key, which is this one, and finally you want to output that into another file, so maybe certificate.pem. So basically you're going to create your certificate using your request information and your key, and it's going to last for 1 day depending on what you want. Okay, and it's the type of certificate is um, x509. Okay, so there you go, your certificate is generated for you, and as you can see it says certificate. So basically that's how to do these commands: how to generate RSA private key, how to generate self-sign certificate signing request, and finally how to generate or create a self-signed certificate. Don't forget to subscribe to this video, and I'll see you soon. Thank you.